Hi guys, nandito po ako sa office ni daddy ko po. Ayan, nag-jogging lang po kami before mag-taekwondo po. Ayan, malapit na kami matapos sa jogging. Ayan, na-walking na po kami after mag-jogging. Ayan, na-workout lang po kami at saka na-exercise pa kami before after mag-taekwondo for few hours lang. Still exercising. This is NJ. Nandito ako sa office ni Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Kuya.
And hi, everyone. Hi, everyone din.
Hi, everyone.
At saka nandito po ako, nasa taekwondo po ako. As you can see, nag-twitching na ng eyes ko at saka dito po. Pero nag-workout din ako. That's why yung medicine ko, physical activity po. At saka tingnan mo. Nasa-set mo na sila. Ayan po, na-recess po kami at saka na-lunch na po. Ayan po, nag-workout lang po kami. Ayan, na-perform na po kami.
Ready? One. Jump. Ready? Prepare. Kanan po, kanan. Ready? Two. Ready? Three. Ready? Four. Ready? Five. Jump. Kabila. Change arm. Ready? One. Ready? Two. Ready? Three. Ready? Four. Ready? Five. Jump. Ready? Next. Upper block. Upper block. Ready? Prepare. Ready? One. Jump. Ready? Two. Ready? Three. Ready? Four. Ready? Five.
kabisado niya eh. Tingnan ako, nakapot eh. Galing, kabisado. Anak ba? Baka meron ng basic lang to eh. Ah, galing eh.
Ayan, natapos na po kami at saka ng picture po kami.